Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create second Roblox account on your phone. So at first open your Roblox apps and log in your Roblox account. After that click on to three dot more option, scroll down and then showing at two option, switch account and log out. So simply click on, then showing at to first your account and add account. So click on to you can easily log in another account or create new account. Just click on and you can easily create new account from here, but some device not showing it to this option, so you can easily fix this. At first open your Playstore and search at Roblox. And you need to just update your Roblox account. So now I'm already update my Roblox account. So showing here to this option, and you can easily make your new Roblox account. So that's it, that's how you can do it.